7-minute workout honest review. Watch before using. If you've been considering the 7-minute workout app, this review will give you everything you need to know before downloading it. Let's get straight to the point. This app was designed for people who want quick, efficient workouts with minimal equipment and no gym required. It's perfect for busy individuals, beginners, or anyone who struggles to fit long workouts into their day. The app promises to deliver high-intensity interval training in just 7 minutes, using bodyweight exercises like jumping jacks, push-ups, and squats. But does it actually work? Here's what you need to know. The core feature is its classic 7-minute workout, a circuit of 12 exercises, each lasting 30 seconds with a 10-second break in between. This is based on scientific research that shows short, high-intensity workouts can improve both cardiovascular and muscular fitness. You can repeat the circuit multiple times if you want a longer session, but the base workout is just 7 minutes. The app also offers customizable workouts, allowing you to target specific areas like abs, legs, or upper body. Plus, there are advanced options if you want more intensity, making it suitable for various fitness levels. The interface is simple and user-friendly. There's a built-in timer, visual guides, and voice prompts to ensure you stay on track without constantly checking your phone. The app also tracks your progress, showing how many sessions you've completed and encouraging you to stay consistent. However, don't expect fancy animations or a wide variety of workouts. This app focuses on efficiency over bells and whistles. Now, let's talk about who this app is best for. If you're someone who's just starting your fitness journey or someone with a busy schedule, it's a great fit. It's also ideal if you're looking for quick bursts of exercise to stay active throughout the day. However, if you're an advanced athlete or someone looking for long-term strength building, you might find it too basic. The exercises rely heavily on body weight, so it's not designed for muscle gains. One potential downside is repetitiveness. Since it follows the same core workout structure, you might get bored after a few weeks. Also, the free version is limited, and many features are locked behind a premium subscription. If you're okay with that, it's a solid app for short, no-excuse workouts. In conclusion, the 7-minute workout app delivers what it promises: fast, efficient workouts that fit into any schedule. It's great for maintaining general fitness and staying active, but it's not a replacement for a full training program. If you want quick results without a gym membership, it's worth a try.